Hey, what's going on? Are you thinking about selling your home? Here's 5 secrets to a successful sale so you don't have to test your luck. Welcome back, it's Gio here with eXp Realty and the Time Team. I wanted to get luck out of here and let's go ahead and dive into these 5 secrets to a successful sale. So, tip number 1. A lot of people don't realize this, but your kitchen is actually what's going to sell your home. Your kitchen is going to be where people come in, they're going to imagine their family gatherings. The bedrooms and bathrooms do matter, but the focus of their time and where they're going to be spending the most money if they do have to do some renovations is the kitchen. So it's important to declutter, clear off those countertops, maybe the cabinets, maybe add a backsplash or some hardware to really make that a great focal point. That's where people scroll to first when they're looking at pictures online, which is, we all know how people are finding homes these days, right? So that's the first secret, is that your kitchen is going to be what sells your home. Secret number 2 is, let's go ahead and make your house less homey. As weird as that sounds, make it less homey. Depersonalize. Get rid of those photos of family, knickknacks that you have scattered throughout, trophies. What's really important when you're getting your home ready to sell is that future buyers can envision themselves in the home. They need to be able to see what it'll be like when they're the ones that live there. So the pictures of your family and the memories, the little marking on the door, or the door frame of heights, those kinds of things are great when you live there, and they're great memories for you. But that's what it is it blocks other people from putting their memories into the home. So declutter. Think like you're staying at an Airbnb. That's the best way to imagine it. So if you've tuned in before, one of the past videos we did was how to make your bathroom feel more like a hotel, like fresh, clean, and because you always like staying at hotels, right? And the reason is because there's no implantation of anything else there. There's no toothbrushes there. The counters are clean. It's perfect towels. And so that's what you want to do, is envision your home like an Airbnb, get it all cleaned up. Stage, maybe craft room goes away for now. That gaming room goes away for now. Man room. Whatever you have that's a little bit unique, just take that away for now. In this certain situation, think less is more. So when preparing your house, make it less homey. That's secret number 2. Let's go ahead and get over to step number 3, or secret number 3 to a successful sale. Don't go overboard with upgrades. It's that easy, Your buyers or whoever's looking at your house is going to want to put their own spin on it. I'm sure you did when you moved into your house. So let's go ahead and hold off on some of those upgrades or renovations. Don't put too much money into it, because everyone has their own ideas of what they want to do. Some won't like what you do, so that's the best thing. That's what I have on my notes here. Quick fixes are great, but let's put those big renovations aside for now. All right, cool. Tip number 4, is your price right? This is the biggest one. All other things are good. You've made sure the kitchen looks good. You've made it less cluttered, less homey, and you've made the upgrades you need. Maybe touched up some paint, hired the handyman to fix the little things that were wrong, but nothing big. And now we're on to price. This part requires a tiny leap of faith on your part. You're going to have to trust your agent and collaborate with them. Ask questions, ask to see the comparables. Look at what else sold in the neighborhood, A lot of times these Zestimates and Redfin calculators and whatever you're looking at online, they'll come up with an estimated value of your home. And this is just based on the area, but it's very generic. The realtor that you work with should be providing a better comparable market analysis with homes that are similar in square footage, year built, lot size, garage, all that kind of stuff. Maybe your house has a pool and the neighbors that sold down the street didn't. Like, how much is that worth? All that kind of stuff is what they're going to present you with. And then whatever you end up finding the fair market value to be, go ahead and shave off 10% on that. And now that's where things require the leap of faith, right? You're like, take off 10%. 10%. Hold on, let me see if I got the... that's how you're feeling right now. So shave off 10%, because that's going to hopefully draw in everyone for a bidding war and really get you the best terms as a seller. A lot of times, if you market it at that market value or even over it, sure, there's a buyer out there that wants it, but you're not going to get the best terms. Maybe they'll offer you more, but you have to be out in 7 days or 14 days, and you have to fix a bunch of stuff, and they want you to pay for the termite report and pay for this and that. If you start 10% off, you'll get multiple offers, and they have to come up with the best terms for you as the seller. So what that means is maybe they're willing to say, you know what, we'll pay for our own closing costs, we'll pay for our own appliances, go ahead and take your nice brand new fridge with you to the new house. Whatever it is, it's a lot easier to negotiate your best terms if you have multiple offers. So the best way to get multiple offers is find that fair market value, shave off about 10%, and then that should start that bidding war for you to get you the best terms on your sale. And secret number 5, wait, one more thing I forgot here on my notes. It's done. The reason for this 10% off sale I wrote here is to pique interest and motivate showing. So when they see others there, it's going to see the demand. So we've all seen that house when they do the open house, or maybe they first go on the market. There's a bunch of people going to it. Maybe you've seen that it says hot home on Redfin or one of those online sites. That's going to let other people know, like, oh man, if we don't get a good offer on this house soon, we're going to miss out. So it shows that there's a lot of other people interested in it. And again, it gets you the best terms. So secret number 5, hire the right agent. It may be that you're selling for the first time. Maybe this is your 3rd sale, but I always recommend going with an agent that you, number 1, trust, and you also know, and you like how they do business. Ask for their track record. Ask for if they know the area. Ask them what other homes they've sold recently. A lot of times it's easy to maintain an online personality but not be a full-time agent or not be consistently in the market. And the market changes so frequently every year that it's really important to really have your pulse on this thing. So all of the agents on our team are full-time, and so we really know what's going on in the market. I myself have been in the industry for 5 years at the time of making this video, and every year it seems like the market has been a little bit different, and that's why it's so important, and I know the area as well. So work with a local area expert or someone who really knows your area, your type of home, because there's always speed bumps in every transaction, and working with a professional who knows the market and how those things work can make the difference between getting over the speed bumps smoothly or getting the whole car to bump, maybe buyer falls out or something like that. Anyways, those are the 5 secrets to a successful sale. I hope that helped. For all questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Shoot me an email or a DM. I'm at Gio Ruiz Realtor on all social media platforms. My email is gioruizrealestate@gmail.com. And of course, you can check out my website, learn more about how I work, and even get a free estimate on your home at gioruizrealestate.com. Take care. I hope you all do well. Talk to you soon.